Hey all, hope you all are good. Welcome to my channel, Sri World of Coding. Today, I'm going to deploy another machine learning model on Docker. So let's begin. So I will show you my sample data. This is the Boston data, uh, Boston data set. It is used for house price prediction. Many of you are might be familiar with this data set. So I'm going to process this only. I'm showing you model generator. So what is the it does? Firstly, I've loaded several libraries, pandas, model selection for trains, test split. I'm going to use MLP regressor model. Joblib is used to save the weights of the model. Okay, so here we have loaded our dataset. We are only requiring these columns. So we have loaded into X and Y variable respectively. We have scaled our uh, X so that all values belong to the same standard range. Okay, now we have performed uh, train test split and split it into a proportion size of test dataset of 33% and train dataset of 77%. So after that, we have trained our model and we have dumped our weights. So let's begin. First run this Python 3 model. So what it will do, it will save the weight of our model. These are the warning. It has saved the weight. Okay, now let's write our Docker file. So we are gonna use a base image. Uh, I'm gonna use Python as our base image version 3.7. Work dir. We will set the work dir s/r. We need to install several libraries. So let's install it. We will write pip install first will be pandas, then will be scikit learn, then Flask, I suppose. Yeah, Flask, and then Unicorn. For deployment of the application, Flask is not advisable on production scale. For that, we use Unicorn. Okay, now we need to copy our weights from our local system to this Docker container. So, um, what are the name of our weights? Model.pkl. Model.pkl. So it will copy with the same name. We also need to copy server.py. I will show you what is server.py. Okay. Um, hmm. So what it will do, it will run on Flask app. Okay. When we will route to this local 0.0.0 colon port number and oblique predict. So what it will do, it is accepting a post request that we will give and that I will show you further. So what it will do, it will load our weight, perform processing our request, and then after it will predict the price of our house. So this is the server.py that we are gonna run. Okay, then we are exposing. Okay, now we are exposing our container on a port on which it will listen to the Flask server. So we will specify 5000 And now time to run the unicorn server. Mm, yes, so good. Server colon app. Let's check whether we have written correctly or not. Python 3.7 workdr is our app. We have installed our required libraries. We have added to our container. We have exposed the port 5000, and then the command we are gonna run is unicorn -f and pine. Okay, on this IP and port number. Okay, so far so good. Let's save it. Now it's time to build our Docker image. So Docker build. We're gonna provide a tag. Let's give it -model. Then the path. So our image has been finally built. So let's run our container docker run open. We will run in detached mode. We are using port 5000 for communication. So we will specify that, and then the name of our image ML model. So finally our container is running and listening on port 5000. So I've already written um, this command that will send a request to this container uh, on localhost 5000, and and we will provide several values like this. Okay, I will show you here. Okay, so slash predict is a URL where it is listening, and the port number is 5000. Okay, so the type of request that we are using is post that we have specified here, and these are the values that it is accepting. So I will show you from here. Sorry, see, okay, q model underscore generator. Yeah, so these are the values this model will be accepting. So I have given all the values here, and according to which it has predicted a price of this.